Welcome to Apex, the SGS application expert, your go-to guide for optimizing tool performance. Apex provides specific application information, taking the guesswork out of determining the ideal cutting parameters for your SGS end mills and drills. Apex can be accessed directly using the link apex.kiasera-sgstool.com or through the SGS website, either from the resources menu or from the product detail pages. A one-time registration is required to access Apex. After initial registration, you will enter a username and password to gain access. After completing the registration process, you'll be asked to input some key metrics before proceeding. 1. The application type, milling or drilling. 2. The display units, fractional or metric. 3. The workpiece material, which can be selected from a comprehensive list of primary materials, subcategory materials, hardness ranges, and some common examples of that specific material. 4. The product EDP. If you are unsure of the product EDP, click on the link to the SGS product locator. After selecting your tool, enter the 5-digit number into the product EDP field. Each of these initial entries are required but can be changed on the fly once in the application expert. When you click Next, you'll enter the main screen of the app. On the top of the Apex milling page, you will see the parameters you entered on the previous screen, along with an image drawing and product series logo. Below the images, you'll see attributes and suggestions for the selected tool. 1. Tool attributes and dimensions. 2. The preferred cut type. 3. Suggested cooling. 4. Suggested materials. Below these tables, you'll see blue boxes to enter optional overrides. These are the fields that allow you to further tailor your results and give you the ideal rates for your specific application. After entering the optional overrides and clicking Calculate Cutting Parameters, the application data is revealed. Here in the Cutting Parameters table, you will find all the application data for the selected tool at a range of stepovers. The two tables below provide additional cutting data. Ramping parameters for straight ramping or plunging, and helical ramp entry methods. A custom radial percentage can be entered in the unique stepover field. Clicking the green plus symbols to the right will give you a few visuals for some of the labels on the corresponding tables. At the bottom of the page are additional features including the comparison tool, summary page, and drawing page. Clicking Start Over will take you back to the opening screen, but it won't log you out of the application. The comparison tool allows you to enter up to 5 EDPs and a stepover for each to compare MRR for each scenario. Remember that MRR is a theoretical number and can be used to compare tools in similar toolpaths. The summary page gives you all the selected application data and allows you to print the summary page, which will create a single-page PDF, which can then be printed from your computer. Contact information and additional comments entered here will be entered directly into the PDF. For additional help or to provide feedback, use one of the following resources. Use the email displayed on the screen, fill out the Apex support form, or contact your local sales engineer using this locator map. Apex, your tooling application expert.